Welcome to Tech Circumference, your hub for exploring the cloud, Kubernetes, and everything in between. Let's dive in. I often get asked, why isn't Kubernetes enough for running microservices? Why do we need an API gateway? And why do we need a service mesh? In this video, I will explain why Kubernetes alone falls short and how to fix it. Before we go and fix the problem, let's first understand what Kubernetes is lacking in current world. First and foremost, Kubernetes does not manage what comes in. There is no built-in authentication, no rate limiting. Anyone can walk into our cluster. Second, Kubernetes can't guide traffic intelligently. No canary deployments, no retries, no circuit breaking requests just wander around. And service to service calls are not secure by default. No mTLS, no zero trust enforcement. Every pod can talk to every other pod. And finally, Kubernetes doesn't tell what's happening inside. No tracing, no request visibility, like, running an airport with a dark control tower. So now let's fix this. Imagine an airport that actually works. A security guard at the entrance checking every passenger, a check-in counter routing people to the right gate, scanners ensuring only trusted passengers go through, and a control tower monitoring everything. That's what API Gateway, API Proxy, Istio, and Kubernetes together can do for our microservices. So for our passenger, that's nothing but the API request. The first stop is the API gateway. Think of it as an airport security guard. It checks tickets, enforces authentication, and blocks bad requests and only lets in legitimate traffic through. For our passenger, the next stop is the API proxy. This is like the check-in counter at the airport. It tags requests, routes them to the right service, and makes sure everything is on order before they move on. Now we pass through the Istio gateway. This is where we get security scans. mTLS ensures only trusted services can talk. Virtual services light up the display boards, directing traffic to the right destination. That's where nothing but the passenger looks at the display board and finds out the gate number. And observability tools are like CCTV, giving us full visibility of what's happening. With everything in place, the passenger, in our case the API request, can finally board its flight. That's where your Kubernetes service handles it very smoothly. No chaos, no delays, just reliable execution. So to put it all together, API gateway, API proxy, Istio, and Kubernetes, and you get a secure, controlled, observable path from request to response. Everything just flows. And here is what you gain: security, no unauthorized request; smart traffic control, blue green deployments, canaries, retries, everything; full observability, see exactly what's happening; reliability, production ready microservices that scale. So remember, Kubernetes alone is not sufficient. When you add an API gateway and a service mesh like Istio, you get an airport grade security, safety, secure, and production ready. Now it's your turn. Go and build something amazing. Thank you.